Microsoft and Nvidia have teamed up to deliver an industrial metaverse through cloud computing, aimed at supporting the digital transformation of businesses. According to Jensen Huang, Nvidia's founder and CEO, the world's largest companies are seeking to digitalize every aspect of their business and become software-defined technology companies. The partnership will leverage Nvidia AI and Omniverse to accelerate industrial digitalization and bring together the best capabilities of both companies. By integrating Omniverse Cloud with Microsoft Azure digital twins and IoT, businesses can connect real-time data from sensors to their digital replicas, enabling them to build and operate more accurate, dynamic, and functional 3D digital twins that respond automatically to changes in the physical environment. The goal is to build services that bridge the digital and physical worlds to automate, simulate, and predict every business process while bringing the most powerful AI supercomputer to customers worldwide. Omniverse Cloud is expected to be available on Azure in the latter half of 2023. Contact Ixino to know more.